Okay, so in this video I will show you how we can import our Be Creatives template. Okay, so this is Elementor template kit, not the complete theme. To use this template kit, you have to install a theme named Hello. So go to Appearance Themes, then you will see Hello Elementor. Then activate. Okay. So let's go to plugin, add new, then template kit, about us, then add new pages, our services, add new pages, contact. Now go to WordPress dashboard, appearance, menus, primary menu, header, create menu, view all, make homepage, about, contact, for menu, align them, then save item. Check menu is working properly. Okay, so this is the way you can create the complete Elementor template kit. Thank you so much.